Hi guys, it's me Chloe. Sorry if my voice is a little low because my throat's hurting, and sorry I haven't posted in a long time. By the way, the shout out goes to Mr. Potato Head. He's my cousin, but he hasn't posted for a long time, so I'm not sure if you guys should go and follow him. Maybe you should not. Maybe you should not. I was just a lollipop stick. I'm holding hers. And today I'm going to be doing the no talking challenge. But before I begin, I would like to say you guys have to comment what I'm saying and what am I doing. So who am I talking to? And comment. And also there's going to be a 5-second challenge during this video. And you guys have to guess if it's non-silent or silent. Comment down below and turn the post notification on. Yeah. So let's get started. Stop. You've got 5 seconds to turn the post notifications on, subscribe and like. And if 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. And if you've done that, comment down below Clomo Squad. So let's get back to the video. Thank you guys for watching. I told you it wasn't going to be a long video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and yeah. And these are the people you should go to subscribe to. You should subscribe to It's Kai's Gaming, Monica Mojo, Hanan Hassan, Jada Ojir, and the other people, which Ruby Rube, don't follow her, she's such a fake. Dang Matt Smith, Colin Ski, yeet.